10 health benefits of rutabaga. Rutabaga, a root vegetable often overlooked, is packed with nutrients that provide numerous health benefits. From supporting digestion to boosting immune health, adding rutabaga to your diet can improve overall well-being. Here are 10 health benefits that highlight why this vegetable deserves a place in your meals. 1. Rich in antioxidants, rutabaga contains antioxidants like vitamin C, which helps protect the body from free radicals. These free radicals can lead to chronic diseases and premature aging, making rutabaga a great choice for a healthier lifestyle. 2. Boosts immune system. Vitamin C in rutabaga plays a key role in boosting the immune system. It supports the production of white blood cells, which help the body fight off infections, making rutabaga an excellent food to include during cold and flu season. 3. Aids digestion. Rutabaga is high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. The fiber helps keep the digestive system running smoothly, preventing constipation and supporting gut health. 4. Helps with weight management. With low calories and high fiber, rutabaga is an ideal food for weight management. The fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing overeating and supporting weight control. 5. Supports heart health. Rutabaga is rich in potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. The fiber in rutabaga also helps lower cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. 6. Has anti-inflammatory properties. Rutabagas contain compounds that reduce inflammation in the body. These anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and promote overall joint health. 7. Promotes healthy skin. Vitamin C in rutabaga contributes to collagen production, which is essential for maintaining healthy, youthful skin. It helps improve skin elasticity and prevent signs of aging. 8. Strengthens bones. Rutabaga is a good source of calcium, which is crucial for bone health. Regular consumption helps maintain strong bones and can prevent bone-related issues as you age. 9. Regulates blood sugar. The fiber in rutabaga helps regulate blood sugar levels. It slows down sugar absorption, preventing spikes in blood glucose, which is beneficial for individuals with diabetes. 10. Supports detoxification. Rutabaga contains sulfur compounds that help the liver detoxify the body. These compounds support the body's natural detox processes, helping eliminate harmful toxins. Rutabaga is a nutritious and versatile vegetable that offers numerous health benefits. Whether you enjoy it roasted, mashed, or in soups, incorporating rutabaga into your diet can improve digestion, boost immunity, and support overall health. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.